welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make an paper box. So let's begin. So for the paper box I have taken this patterned paper. This patterned paper I bought in Amazon. If you want, I have given the Amazon buy link in the description. So first fold it into in half and press it nicely so the impression falls on the paper, and again I am doing it in the opposite side. Now just make a small triangle using like this. See the video clearly so that you would understand what I am saying, and it will also be easy for you to understand. So I am doing it in the four sides and pressing it nicely so the impressions come on the paper. See, it should be having four triangles in the opposite sides. And now I completed all the triangles and pressed it nicely. Now I am making the corners little bit even, so it is even like a normal squared paper, and also pressing it once again in the all sides. Now see, I am flipping over it and showing to you. Now just fold the sides to the midpoint of the paper. In any side you can do it. Now I am doing it in the opposite side of the another paper. Now open the paper and just flatten it again and do it in the opposite sides. Fold the same way that already we have done for the another sides of the paper. Now open the paper. Now take any two triangles off. Now in the edges, this edges only, you should be so careful. In that square you will get one line. In that line, if you press it inside, the triangle will get into the paper and you will get a corner shape. I will make it and show you. See, for the another side also I am doing. If you just fold it, you will get an covered square. See, now fold the excess triangle into the square sheet. Now do it in the another side also. If you are doing it for the first time, you just take an empty plain paper and just try. After that you can also make one box out of it. You can take a big paper than this and just make it. Now the box is done. It is so beautiful, and I am also just making the edges more even and pressing it together. If you want, you can even glue it inside that triangle, so it will also be more stiffer. If you are just giving it to anybody, you can just stick it there. You can also store any eraser, pencils, any small pencils and all. You can just store it in that cute box. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.